Prega News. Introduction. Prega News is a home pregnancy test kit used to check for pregnancy quickly and easily. It detects the presence of the pregnancy hormone, HCG, in urine. Mode of action. The test works by detecting human chorionic gonadotropin, HCG, a hormone produced during pregnancy. If HCG is present in the urine, the test shows a positive result. Uses: to confirm pregnancy at home, to get quick results within minutes, to check pregnancy in the early stages. Special precautions: use the first morning urine for the most accurate result. Follow the instructions carefully to avoid errors. If the result is unclear, repeat the test after a few days. Consult a doctor to confirm pregnancy and get further advice. 5 benefits. Prega News is easy to use and gives quick results, allowing women to check pregnancy in the comfort of their home. Side effects. Prega News does not have side effects, but incorrect usage may lead to false results. How to take. Collect a few drops of urine in the dropper provided. Place 2 to 3 drops on the test strip. Wait for 5 minutes to check the result. 2 lines is equal to pregnant. 1 line is equal to not pregnant. No lines is equal to invalid test. Repeat with a new kit. Thanks.